Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd learn to make banana bread recipe. As you can see here, we'll start with the recipe. It's 1 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 1/2 cup mashed bananas, 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sorry, I made a mistake there. A teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then if you desire, you can put a cup of nuts or a cup of chocolate in it. The recipe information, it's 15 minutes prep time. You gotta cook for an hour, 55 to 60 minutes, and it yields 24 servings. First, you set it up. You preheat your oven to 350. Step 2, you cream the butter and the sugar together. Step 3, you mix the eggs and mashed bananas real good together. And step 4, you shift the flour, the soda, and the salt all together in a different bowl. Step 5, you'll combine the banana mixture and then add the vanilla. Step 6, pour it into a greased floured loaf pan. Make sure your pan is greased real good and then flour so it don't stick. Step 3, I think we're gonna step 8. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes. These are some tips that you can also do if you like to. One is add a teaspoon of sour cream. It makes the cake more moist and flavorful. Two, I don't know what happened. You can also, they don't have to be ripe to use bananas. You can use bananas, so there's no need for them to be ripe. You can use them fresh bananas as long as it ain't too green. You can choose a dark brown sugar instead of a light brown sugar. It'll give a more rich flavor to the cake, the bread, sorry. You can explore different ways, possibilities, make it your own. You can add bananas on top, chocolate chips, nuts. I usually add nuts to mine. And then you can use dark chocolate also instead of the light chocolate. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. Hope your bread turns out. Let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing to Real Life Happens. We're a community of women trying to help women. We like to do different things. I'm working on getting a craft video out, which not working real good, but I'm trying my best. So y'all have a good day and hope you have a blessed day. Remember, God loves you.